Here in this video, you're going to learn how to make more than $1,000 a week using HF Creations. So first thing you need to do is come to the platform, hfcreations.com. This is the URL, hf-creations.com, and just paste this in your browser and you'll be brought to this page. This is the home page, and as you can see, we create the best courses for creatives. So you are basically being paid to promote courses. So these are digital products which you can promote and get a commission for your sale, okay? And you get up to 40% commission for each sale you make. Yeah, and it's very simple to get on this affiliate program. So first thing you need to do is come to the website and then scroll down to the bottom of your website. Okay, on the footer you're going to see the become an affiliate link, so click on it and it's going to take you to the affiliate page. Now this is the page where you read about the affiliate. You can see that you earn up to 40% commission by promoting top quality creative courses. So you can read all about the program here, and next thing you need to do is sign in. Okay, so click on sign in, and you need to create an account if you don't have an account, or log into your existing account. So if you don't have an account, just click on register now and then register for a new account. Just write in your name, your first name, your last name, your username, your password, your email ID, and so on and so forth. So I'm just gonna go back and then log into my account. So after creating an account and logging in, you're then brought to your dashboard. This is your dashboard. Okay, now on the header here you get to see the affiliate menu option. So click on the affiliates and then you are then brought back into your affiliate programs page. Okay, you can even see that with here you can get access to promotional materials which you can use to promote the courses. So we just click join now, and after clicking join now you are then going to be brought to a form. Actually, so you're going to be brought to a form where you then fill in your request. So after you submit your request is then going to be analyzed by an admin and then approved. Okay, and then when you get approved, you're now brought to your affiliate dashboard. So when you click on join now, after being approved, it's going to bring you to your affiliate dashboard. That's why we see that mine just took me to the affiliate dashboard right away. So this is your dashboard, this is your commission, this is your conversion rate, and so on and so forth, and your current balance. Okay, so we have the section for commissions, visits, payments, link generator, and settings, and all of these are very self-explanatory. So first thing you need to do is go to courses and then go ahead and select a course. So you can see that there are a number of courses here. So go ahead and select a course. So let's assume we want to market this course, the Ultimate Adobe After Effects CC Mega course. So just view course, and this is the landing page for the course. You can play the video if you like. You can go through the course landing page and see all what is being taught. You can see that so much is being taught here, and these are some of the things that you get to create in the course, right? And so much things are being taught here. We can see that we have up to 21 sections. Okay, yeah, so basically you need to just come and select a course of your choice. Okay, after you select the course of your choice, you then need to just click here and copy your URL. So Ctrl C or copy, and then go back to your affiliate dashboard. So just hover on your affiliate and then click on dashboard to go into your dashboard. Now you just need to come to link generator and then go ahead and paste, do Ctrl V or Command V on the Mac, and it's now going to generate a unique link for you, a unique referral link. So you just copy your unique referral link. Now copy this, and now you can come to a browser and try this. So let's just paste it here and see. So we see that it has a ref 6 added to it, and then this is basically your referral ID. Okay, so any sale you make using this link, you're gonna have your commissions reflecting here. So this is how you get to start using HF Affiliate to make over $1,000 a week. So all you need to do is get your referral link and promote your referral link. As soon as someone buys your product using your referral link, you get a commission. You get 40% commission. Okay, yeah. So after making your sales, come to settings, and then now under settings you get to put in your payment options. Okay, there is for now the direct bank or wire transfer withdrawal method. So you just need to put your account name, the IBAN, and then the SWIFT code, and then your money will be wired into your account. You can see that you can also put in your email address here. That's your PayPal email address, and then you're gonna get your payments into your PayPal account using this PayPal payment method as well. Okay, but more payment methods will be added. Okay, not just PayPal and direct banking. We're gonna add more payment methods so that you can easily withdraw your money at your convenience. Yeah, so basically this is how to get started with HF Creations Affiliate. Go ahead and join HF Creations Affiliates right now and start making up to 40% commissions on each sale. Yeah, so that's it for this video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below. I would love to hear from you. And that's it for this one. See you in the next video. Bye bye.